three unit vectors such that A cross as bracket B cross C equal to half of B vector. These are three unit vectors, and this relation, vector relation, is given. Find the angle which makes with B and C, and angle which makes A with B and C also which makes A with B and C, and B and C are also non-parallel vectors. We have to find out the angle between A and B and A and C. Now start the solution. At first, we write down the vectors equation which is given. Vector equation is A cross B cross C equal to half of B vector, Also, A, B, C are three unit vectors. That is, their magnitudes of these three unit vectors are 1. So they are unit vectors. A, B, C are unit vectors. Now, if we dot product, if we take dot product on both sides with A, if we take dot product on both sides with A vector, we get A dot A vector equal to half of A vector into B vector. We have taken both sides. We have taken dot product with A of both sides of the vector equation. Left hand side is A dot A cross B cross C, and right hand side is half of A cross B. Now this is an, you can see this is an vector, this is a scalar triple product of three vectors. This is a scalar triple product of three vectors. This is a scalar triple product of three vectors. So we can write also A vector equal to half of A cross A dot B. Now this A cross A is 0 because A and A are same vectors. Angle between same vectors is either 0 or 180 degree. If 0, this is also 0, and if 180 degree, angle is 180 degree, then this cross product is also 0. In both cases, for theta equal to angle equal to 0 degree and 180 degree, in both cases A cross A is 0. That is, the cross product of two same vector is 0. That is 0 dot B cross C equal to half of A cross dot B. Now this is obviously 0. 0 equal to half of A dot B, that is A dot B equal to 0. We have got A dot B equal to 0. What does it mean? If A dot B equal to 0, then it means A and B are mutually perpendicular. A and B are mutually perpendicular, that is, the angle between them is 90 degrees. So A and B are mutually perpendicular. So the angle between them is 90 degree. So angle between A and B is 90 degree. So one of the angle is got, that is angle between A and B is derived as 90 degree. Now we further derive the angle between A and C. We derive the angle A and C. Now you see that this is a vector triple product of three vectors. This is vector triple product of three vectors A and A, B and C, and also A, B, C are three unit vectors. This is vector triple product of three vectors A, B, C. Now we have known the formula of vector triple product, that is the expansion of this vector triple product. The expansion of the vector triple product is A cross C into B vector minus A cross B into C vector equal to, A dot B, A dot C and A dot B. A dot B, A dot C into B vector minus A dot B into C vector equal to half B vector. Now this can be written as minus, we have already got A dot B equal to 0, that is A and B are two perpendicular vectors, mutually perpendicular. So A dot B equal to 0 is already derived. So we can put A dot B as 0 to C vector equal to half of B vector. So A dot C B vector equal to half of B vector. So we can also write this is A dot C minus half of B vector equal to 0. Also A dot C vector minus half into B vector equal to 0. Now B, if B is non-zero vector, also non-zero vector because ABC are three unit vectors. Here ABC are three unit vector. This is given. ABC are three unit vectors. So we write vector B is non-zero vector. Vector B is non-zero vector because the B vector ABC are three vectors are given, and also they are unit vectors. So B vector cannot be zero vector, so that is B vector is non-zero vector. So we can write other factor, that is A dot, that is coefficient of B vector. Here coefficient is A dot C minus half. Coefficient is also 0, as B vector is non-zero vector. Now we have A dot C minus half equal to 0, that is A dot C equal to half, and also we have known the formula of dot product of two vectors. Dot product of two vectors is product of magnitude of two vectors into cosine of their angle. Cosine of the angle between them. Cosine of angle between them equal to half, where phi is angle between A and C. A and C. We can put the angle between A and C is phi. That is also ABC are 3 unit vectors. So their magnitude is also 1. Magnitude is also 1 as ABC are unit vectors. ABC are given as unit vectors. ABC are given as 3 unit vectors. ABC are unit vectors. Unit vectors. So we can put in place of A and magnitude of A and C is 1 and 1. 1 into 1 cos of phi equal to half. That is cos phi equal to half. So phi equal to 60 degree. So we have got the angle between A and B. We have already found A and B is 90 degree. A and B is 90 degree, and also angle between A and C, angle between vector A and C, we have got angle between A and C is phi equal to 60 degree, that is 60 degree. So we have derived the two angles. One angle is between A and B, and other angle is between A and C. All are derived, which are 90 degree and 60 degree. Now I request you to keep watching on my videos.